Welcome to Touring Tutorials, a series where we aim to help keep your rig in the best shape possible.
Here at Touring, we're known for putting thought and quality into our products and features in our builds.
We want to equip all of our customers with the best tools possible for their adventures on the road.
So with that, let's jump into this episode featuring pointers on how to store and care for your van.
Unless you're living in a van full-time, there's a really good chance you're going to have to store your van for a few months or weeks throughout the year. Whether it's during the winter months or infrequent trips during the summer, these tips and tricks will help you keep your van in a perfect working condition. Let's talk about winterizing or blowing out your water system. When not using your van in the winter months, it's very important to blow out your system and make sure there's no water in the lines. This is very important, especially in colder weather climates, because as you know, water will freeze. For a complete breakdown of a winterization of your system, check out our video. Whether you're putting your van into storage or taking it out of storage, make sure you give us a call to schedule all of your routine maintenance services, as well as your A and B Mercedes service.
When you're getting ready to put your van into storage, you're going to want to do something with your electrical system. You have a couple different options that you can choose from depending on how you're storing your van and where you're storing your van. The first option to turning off the electrical system for a storage situation would be to charge up your lithium battery system to 100%, and after that we're going to want to turn off our fridge, turn off our lights. Basically, the idea here is anything that could be pulling power from our lithium battery system is being powered off. Next, we're going to want to turn off the actual system itself. To do so, we are going to want to find the big red switch inside our electrical cabinet. That is right here. And we're going to want to switch that from on to off. And remember, charge that battery system all the way up to 100% so that when you come back to the van and get ready to go on an adventure and you turn it back on, you're probably going to be sitting somewhere between 100 and 80% when you power it back on. If you are charging through the shore power option, then we are going to want to go through the first step, turn all of the amenities off in the van, the fridge, the lights, etc. And then we will plug into shore power, and then we'll turn on our inverter to make sure that we're receiving the power from the shore power cord. You have to be aware, if you do choose to store your van in the shore power option, your wall outlet breaker could trip. This would mean that your van is not charging the whole time you are away from it. If you have the potential of that happening, the best option is going to be the first one we discussed, turning off the electrical system.
If you need help with any of these steps, don't hesitate to give our service center a call.
We're here to help you keep your van in great shape and get you back on the trails in no time.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out all of our videos for more great tips from our team.